I've been working on a handle, and I used my draw knife to take off some of these outer barks. So this is the draw knife right here. I'm going to use the chisel and hammer to take off more of these knots. And I'll show you what I'm doing. But it's same old, so I'll just do... This is kind of cool, but I just don't think it's a good idea to leave bark on something inside the house. So I'm removing it. Once I'm done with removing the majority, I will sand it, probably with a 2-inch angle grinder, and just shape it, get rid of the hard edges like that one right there. Smooth this all out, smooth the whole thing out, and then I'll cut it to size and use it for a handle on our door. So if I cut that off, and I cut this off, I can go like this with a handle, or I could go like that with a handle. I don't know, but I'm gonna work on removing this now. Well, let me remove that part first. Well, yeah, let's go like this. And like that. Try not to put these indents into the wood. Okay, that's good for now. And what I will do is probably grind this off. I'll show you that. Sand this off, and I think that'll be a really cool handle. So I did a review on this Cracson mini angle grinder, but I got a fresh new battery in here, and nothing. All the way up, nothing. I don't know what's with these mini angle grinders, but they're not very effective. I don't know how I'm gonna sand this down, but it's not gonna be with this because it's not working, sadly. I know I never showed the build for this, but it's very basic. Just 2 logs and then 2x4s in the back, screwed to the logs down on the bottom part, down here. 2 logs screwed into the logs, 2x4s, sorry, screwed into the logs, and then just logs put across here. And they're probably on their way to rotten. But I could have done something to prevent that, but I didn't. And here's another bench that I made. And these are offcuts from a cypress log. So these are holding up very, very well because cypress is pretty rot resistant, and in comparison to that bench, this one is holding up nicely. I did put a Danish oil, I think, on these. You can tell it's a little orangey. Anyway, just different ideas that I think of. And kind of close to a fireplace this big because this thing gets hot.